Hello. How to restore classic right-click menu in Windows 11 is a very short video, but it's very important. Let's watch. How to permanently restore classic menu in Windows 11. Do the following. Right-click on Start menu. Choose Terminal Admin and accept it. I'll click it. The second option you have to take is that you click a Windows key plus X. I choose Terminal Admin. Accept, opens, and copy the following code. You find the code below this video, below the description of this video. Copy the following code and paste it here, and press enter and click the terminal. Now, open the Task Manager, Control-Shift, Escape, Control-Shift, Escape to open the Task Manager. If you open the Task Manager, click on Window Explorer, Restart Task, or the Window Explorer that open here. You click on each and every one of them and click Restart Task to restart Window Explorer. If you want to undo the processes, you copy the following command. I will leave the command below this video, below the description of this video. Copy the following command, open the command prompt, or you right click on Start, Terminal under Admin, open it, the following command, pass the following command here, enter and click it. This is how you're going to restore the default Windows 11 menu. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.